Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term boojie. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, boojie is a slang term for someone or something that is luxurious, high class, or pretentious in style or behavior. People use it when they want to describe a fancy lifestyle or attitude. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Boojie first showed up in early 20th century English slang as a variation of bourgeois. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among younger people, describing luxury or pretentiousness. Now let's check out how to use boojie in a sentence. Correct example 1. She always acts so boojie when she goes to those fancy parties downtown. Correct example 2. I don't usually like expensive stuff, but that restaurant was pretty boojie. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said boojie at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using boojie right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Boojie means a slang term for luxurious or pretentious style. It started in early 20th century English slang, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with boojie in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.